fancy schmancy places. A tiny bottle of moisturizer. Hang out with me. I would love to have you join my friends. Is going to be all Boxycharm subscriptions for the November and December, and so I didn't get to choose them per se, but some I have tried, so I'll share with you what they are. This is the November box, and this is the Boxycharm Harvest, and it comes with a little card with all the products that I got, so it's really neat that I get the instructions here. So the base box is usually $25, and I got 5 products. So usually you get 5 products, sometimes 6. So the first thing we have here is 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. MSRP is for $135. I've seen this brand in even in Neiman Marcus's, really fancy schmancy places. Trying a serum from them right now, and I think I'm almost to the bottom. It's like anti-pollution serum. I'm not particularly so impressed for the to blow me away for the price point. Anti-pollution, I can't really tell if it's working or not. The Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster increases moisture levels by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. So it's really nice that Boxycharm would think about the weather and that we're in the cold season or heading into the cold season, and they'll send one of these type of things for you. But Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum, an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. So this one combats dryness, and this one's for pores, and you can mix and match serums too, even in the same night routine. MSRP is $62. Again, on average I paid about $5 for each of these. And then the next thing is something I actually got to choose. So every month you get to choose one of the products, and you get 3 to 4 choices each month. And if you can hop on and choose the product as soon as they open, then you have more choices. But if you come on late, I don't think you'll have much of a choice anymore. This is Benefit Cosmetics GimMe Brow plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. So it's a very tiny bottle. I thought it'd be bigger. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny taper brush provides easy mess-proof application. Poof! Fuller looking brows magically appear. This Benefit Cosmetics is known for their brow products, and I've never tried them before, but it's really neat that something that MSRP $24 and a lot of people pay full price for these. I got it in the Boxycharm. And then the next set of items is these. So these 3 came as a set, and it's from the brand Half Caked. I've never heard of them before. Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So I actually used this one. So this is what I have on my lips, a little bit deeper than what's in the bottle. But I don't mind that, especially I like the color. They said these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with the feather-like texture and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. I would agree with the feather-like texture, and it transfers a little bit. So I've had this on for about 2-3 hours, and I've been sipping my tea, so it transfers a little bit, but not too bad, and it doesn't take away so much, so not bad. And they also feel pretty moisturizing, like liquid lipsticks, like say the KVD and Liquid Suede from NYX is drying, but you'll also get a lot of holding power. But these are actually not drying and seems to be holding. With Boxycharm, you not only get the premium and very luxury brands, so sometimes get indie brands like this, which is fun to try out. And most of the things they sent me, I'm not mad at all. I'm pretty happy. And then the last thing in this box is Jacka Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. This says, meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. MSRP of $15. I don't think that's a bad price point at all. And it says it's a new launch. So sometimes brands would launch their new products with the Boxycharm as well. It's pretty cool, like this whole Boxycharm world. Normally don't use liquid correctors. I don't even use concealer under the eyes because I feel like that's just an extra step that I don't have time for. So yeah, even the pimple here, I haven't concealed it because I don't have a concealer. That wraps up the November box, and the total of this is over $250 and you pay $25. And so if you would normally spend that much on makeup, or if you are okay with it being curated for you, you'll get a great value box for sure. I highly recommend Boxycharm. And now let's go on to the last box, which is my December Boxyluxe. December box is actually called Boxyluxe. So it is about a $50 quarterly upgrade. So Boxycharm base box that I went through with the November is a $25 monthly subscription, and then every quarter you can upgrade to something called Boxyluxe, and I think the value is over $250, if not $350, or it just goes up. Get 7+ products, and I just find it fun that once every 3 months I get more products. These products all retail for $50, and this time I got 8 products. It averaged about $6.25 a product. First one is Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette, and it's this one here, and it's really pretty. It's got these lights, you know, on the packaging, and on the inside it's some bronzer and a lot of blushes and highlighters. And it seems like this will work for deeper skin tones, at least for the highlighter, not necessarily for the bronzer. It's MSRP for $55. An ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth, velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. So from the description, it sounds like it's all gonna be more natural highlights and natural blushes, natural looking. And the next thing is Sandy Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So this is a brand that's well known and well loved by a lot of people, and this one MSRP for $85, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people pays that full price for this as well. So this is a really great product that I got in the Boxyluxe. So the thing about Boxyluxe is you could get 2 base Boxycharms, right, and pay $50 too, but Boxyluxe can kind of take you to the next level and give you like better, more expensive products in one package. So if that makes sense. So you get, you know, instead of $5 on average, it's about $6.25 on average, but you get better products. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin, while with brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for natural, brighter, even-toned skin. That's a lot of words, but I'm excited. It seems like it's a good exfoliator, and I'm looking for a good exfoliator. And I watched Manny MUA unbox his Boxycharms, and he also got this, and he was just like excited, really excited, said that it makes the box for him. And he showed his current bottle of this that's running out, so he just got a refill and didn't have to pay full price, so that's good. So I'm excited to try that when I need a new exfoliator. The next one I got is this one from Hip Dot. It's C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. So this one comes in this box, and it's a lot of blue colors, some other pops of color to help and complement the blue theme. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of cenote, a homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. I hope I'm saying the word right. This hyperpigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the Magical Deep. MSRP of $30, and yeah, once I need a new palette, I'll be excited to draw it out of my vault. And the next one is Luxie Gold Glitter and Gold Brush Set. Little bag. It feels nice. I don't know if it's leather, but I think it's a cruelty-free brand, so it may just be faux leather. But it feels nice and grippy, and it comes with all of these brushes, so you can pull it down like that. And these are the face brushes, and these are the eye brushes, so it's a whole set. So I like this one. Highlighting and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. So yeah, I'll be excited to try this, but I have a lot of brushes that I'm currently using right now. The next one I got is this one called Sazy by Stephanie Taylor. Cushion cut CZ Halo stud earrings. So it's really pretty earrings, and this is actually one of the items that I picked. So with Boxyluxe, you can pick 2 items instead of just one. This MSRP for $36, and it says these stud earrings feature brilliant 2-carat cushion cut cubit zirconias surrounded by sparkling pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings. So yeah, it's really cute. I'll actually wear this and have a use for that immediately instead of keeping it, you know, in reserve. And the next one is called Avant Skincare Intensifying, Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. So I love getting skincare products and also makeup products. It depends, you know, on the months, like if I want more skincare or more makeup. But usually if I have a choice to pick, I usually pick skincare products, especially if they are well known, instead of makeup. And the ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. MSRP $123. So I will never pay that high for a tiny bottle of moisturizer. The next one I have is this one called Brockings Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. Get in a hot mess with Brockings Maxi Glitter Gel Pens Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dense floor magic. MSRP $40, and it's a new launch. So I haven't tried these out, but I'm excited to try it out. This is one of the products I picked for this month. I'm looking for some crayon or like stick colors like these. So yeah, I'm excited to try these, and they will act as a base under your makeup, eye makeup, and kind of intensify the colors and kind of change what the colors look like underneath. Kind of like make the colors last longer as well. Last but not least, this is the product. Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. Hopefully I'll still have enough storage to get through this last product and close out. Formulated with a gold-infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. Kind of just feel dizzy reading the ingredient list on top of my vertigo. Yes, intriguing for sure. MSRP is $22, and I don't have any leave-in products like these that I'm currently using, so I'm very excited to try this. It says like supercharged detangler, delivers super shine, instant silkiness and smoothness, all the best claims. So I'm excited. So yeah, that wraps up all of my Boxycharm products that MSRP worth over $1,500 that I paid $174 total. And let me know what your thoughts are. It's a huge 89% whopping savings, and I love it. I will continue to be a part of Boxycharm, and I love, you know, makeup and skincare, so this is just like my little fun space, and I got to do it at a good value and discounts. I hope you enjoyed this video of me just talking through the products, what I got, why I got them, and if I didn't get it by choice, then, you know, I just kind of share the details of them. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have my part 2 coming, where I used a lot of the products and a chit chat, get ready with me, talking about my current you know, updates, and just doing makeup and reviewing products. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for hanging out. Bye. Woo! So I ran out of storage again on my iPhone 6, which is what I shoot with.